No glue or tools required. Universal tip replacement. Works for 12mm and 13mm Q-tips. The Mizerak leather screw-on pool table Q-tips are universal tip replacement. With threaded brass bodies that simply screw into place, assembly is quick, easy and does not require glue or tools. These Q-tip replacements are compatible for 12mm and 13mm Q-tips. Top reviews from the United States. I use them on my cheap Qs and they do the job. I got them to re-tip the cheap Qs for when the kids have friends over, which hasn't been happening since COVID-19 went wild. But they are ready for when we get back to normal, as I won't let them anywhere near my good Qs.